Well, welcome back to the channel. I'm kind of going to do a moving introduction. There's the dam for Navajo Lake up there. San Juan River's out that way. I'm working my way down this path. I've got 2 rods in my hand right now. I do have a 3rd at my truck. I did see some midges in the air actually when I was getting ready. So I'm really kind of hoping maybe some fish will be looking up. But if that's happening, I'll kind of have a dilemma on my hands whether I want to go back and get my dry fly rod or I want to change my indicator setup to throwing dry flies. Right now I got kind of my streamer rod. It's a 10-foot 6-weight fly rod, and it's got an articulated kind of woolly bugger on it. And then on my indicator setup, I've got 2 nymphs on there. Really wasn't set up for this river. I was fishing another river, so I may have to probably change those nymphs, but I'll try them first before I change them. Because you never know. Why change things up before? Might as well throw it what you got on there. Gotta get through this stuff, not get hung up or get out of hang-ups. And so that's kind of what I'm doing. Again, I appreciate you guys tuning into the channel. If you like the content, definitely throw that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. Today is St. Patrick's Day. I had a beer in my truck when I was getting ready, so I had 1 beer and I got 1 more for the end of the day. I'm only going to be fishing about 4 hours in here, so we're going to see what happens in those 4 hours. So again, thank you for tuning in, and we're going to see if fish are hopefully hungrier today than they've been in the past when I've been in here within the last month or 2. Fishing's been kind of slow due to the weather, cold water, etc. So hopefully find some willing participants and hungry fish. Again, thanks for tuning in, and next spot is the river. All right, I'm at the river now. I came through that little section, that little trail spot through the bushes there and on to the river right now. Clarity on the river isn't too bad. It's a little bit off color, but that's typical for this time of year. I've been in here where I've seen this section really popping off with fish and rising for midges. I was hoping to see that today. Just spoke with somebody a moment ago. He said he did see some fish rising in the main section of the river, which is straight ahead of me. Got a guy there and another guy there. We're going to see what happens here. I'm going to kind of move around. Again, don't have a lot of time today, so I'll be moving kind of quicker than usual probably. I do like fishing up in here. There's kind of a real slow spot and whatever. I throw my streamer in there. Big articulated woolly bugger. See what happens here. I might head over there first real quick. There's a fish rise. There's another one over there rising. So actually, they've been kind of active right there. Here's that dilemma I was talking about. Really don't want another fish rise. Another fish rose. Really don't want a fish rose out there, and I think it rings from another one. Another fish down there rising, and another one. Alright, that's all I need. I am going to change this indicator setup. Another fish rise. It's only going to take me 5 to 10 minutes to change this up. I want to put on a whole new leader. So that's what's going to be going on. I'm really glad it's fish rising out there for sure. Another fish rise. Another one rose. Another one further out rose. 2, 3 more rose. That is super cool to see. Always love fishing for fish on top water. But I might as well throw this thing first before I change it and see what happens. So I'm going to do that. Then I'm probably going to change this up while the fishing's good on top. Fish rising on that far bank too, or a little further out. Good to see. Should be rising in the flats down there too, I would think. Love catching fish top water. The fish rose right there. Oh man, thought that was for me. I see two fish right there. One fish just rose. See another one to the right where that fish rose. Another fish rose. Back up over here. Another fish rose. Come on, baby, hit my... Oh, there we go. That's it. There we go. Top water. Watching that one rise. It's running. I was about to sing my whole "Come on, baby, hit my fly" song. And he did. Right then. Moving back up to where I hooked him. Probably gonna have to get down in the river here. I'd like him to go upstream, that'd be nice. Not a huge fish for in here, but still, see how big he is if I can get him in the net. That's a whole nother ball game, fishing with small flies. Decent fish though, 16 to 18 inch fish. Fighting hard. Give him some line. I'm gonna have to move downstream with him. Up and over the bushes. Bring him down here. Oh, where is he going? Now he's going back. Where are you going? Try and get a glove off here. There he is. Midge clusters off the bank. Oh, come on now. I'd like to land you. I need him to come back to me. I don't want to chase them all downriver, so rod tip down. I'll eventually get them back. There we go. Maybe. Not yet. Oh man, so close yet so far. There we go. This is where dead. Come on, buddy. In the net. There we go. Looks like he actually got him on the fin somehow. Oh, never mind. Flies out. That easy sometimes with barbless hooks. Flies out. Pretty rainbow. Yeah, I mean, solid. Maybe 18-inch fish. Come on, buddy. See ya. Hey, I'm on the board for today. I haven't even been fishing that long. That's good. And on top water. Saw a fish rise over there too. Go catch more. There we go. I saw that one totally come up for it. I think it took the top fly. Come here, buddy. Before he knows what hit him. Too much fun on top water. I saw that fish track in for that fly. No, it took the bottom fly in the net. No, it took the top fly. Hell yeah. Alright, I get a glove off. He's gonna make a mess out of my whole line. You're gonna make a big mess, huh, buddy? I need you to cooperate a little bit. Actually took the parachute midge. Flies out. Another decent fish though. Where's the bottom fly? Oh. Come on now. It'll work with me. Oh yeah, big mess. Jeez. Get to deal with that. Nice fish though. And it's sipping flies. Pretty rainbow. Oh, how big? Yeah, see it. Another 16 to 18 inch rainbow, solid. I got a mess to deal with. Lovely. There we go. First cast of that fish rising. Saw him feeding a calf, put it above him. He was rising, then moving upstream, rising, moving. Always fun on dries. Sight casting for fish. I think I never get enough of doing that. Much rather fish top water, throw dry flies, than really anything else. Oh, it might be a brown trout. I'd like to get him in. I think this is a brown trout. Yeah, pretty brown. It's rare when I catch browns sipping flies on top of water. Really nice brown. Come on, buddy. Let me get you in the net. There we go. Bottom fly. Pretty brown trout. Sipping top water. Gotta get this glove off. See where that fly is. Right there. Nice fish. Try and get it. There we go. Pretty brown though. All right, buddy. See ya. Thanks for playing.